How to fix Instagram login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix if you're not being able to sign into your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first thing you have to check is whether or not your internet connection is working fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular. If you're using cellular, try to switch to Wi-Fi and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't help, what you want to do is open up settings, then just go to the option called general over here, then come to iPhone storage, then look for the application called Instagram, tap on Offload App button and then try to reinstall the app to see if that solves your problem. If that doesn't, open up your app store and then in the search box just go ahead and then type in Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update. So if it does, just tap on the update button to update the Instagram app to the latest version. What updating does is it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. Now if this doesn't help, the problem could be because of your incorrect credentials. So open up Instagram and then make sure that the account you're trying to sign into has the correct credentials. If it's incorrect, you can try to reset your password and so forth. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then simply fix Instagram login error. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.